Well, brothers, I was hoping to show you an assembly video for my new Lowe's Kobalt saw. I was hoping to, because last video I did, I told you that the parts that I came with it were missing two parts. The J and the K in the lower corner there. Well, I got my new parts in, my new parts bag, and the new ones are missing J and K as well. Another phone call to Lowe's tomorrow. But I think I'm going to have to go to the hardware store now and buy the parts to figure it out. Luckily, I've got the bolt. I mean, I do have the bolt, so I just got to find the nut and the washer to fit that. I think I can do that on my own. It's not worth the hassle, I don't think, really, but Kobalt's going to hear. So, kind of disappointed Lowe's on this. It is a slip to have your parts bags consistently missing like this, where I got a replacement bag still missing the same two parts. That is all.